So which is the faster to lower? The one with ifs and math, or the one with a lookup table? So even though the lookup table one is smaller in terms of the amount of instructions, there's a sense in which the if one is actually more optimized or optimizable. So for the lookup table version, we will just load the value from the array using the character as an index, and if it's uppercase, it will return a lowercase value. Now, why did I say that the if version is actually more optimized? Well, in terms of cache locality, the lookup table version will load something from memory, and that will incur a cache miss. And if you're only using two lower ones, that's kind of slow. And if you're just doing two lower ones, you're wasting the cache. But there's a more interesting consideration. So if we look at two lower stir, this is the version with the lookup table. So this uses two lower lookup table, and it's normal stuff, right? It's using byte pointers, so it's checking byte by byte. But if we use the if version, there's something interesting here. There's much more instructions, and we're actually using a word pointer. So what's happening here? Well, it seems that the compiler actually vectorizes the code. So instead of using byte pointer as before and looping byte by byte, just like the code here, when it's using the if version, it's actually using vector instructions. So when we're using YMM word pointer here, so we're processing 32 bytes at a time. And why is that? So it's probably doing something like this, and this thing, which consists of math, bitwise operations, can be easily turned into SIMD instructions. So instead of two-lowering each character, it can two-lower vectors, arrays of values at a time, and then do operations like this math operation and then this bitwise operation at 32 characters at a time. You cannot say the same with a lookup table. There isn't a vector instruction for looking up 32 bytes at a time, at least not that I'm aware of.